update WhatsApp in your iPhone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open App Store. Now you want to tap on this search bar. Now go ahead and type in WhatsApp. From the search result, go ahead and find WhatsApp Messenger, select that. Now, if you find the option of update over here, you simply want to tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now the downloading will begin. You will have to wait for some time. Once the downloading is completed, the new updates will be successfully installed. Then you will find this open option, so you can simply tap on that and your WhatsApp will be successfully updated. Now, when you open App Store, if it says open instead of update, it means that your application has already been updated. So there's no need to update it. You can simply launch it open and then start using the latest version of WhatsApp. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.